Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back. It's Marybeth here, and we're going to be talking more in today's video about America's #1 residual income system, where you have the potential to earn $1,500 or more on a monthly basis in profit. Now, this is for illustrative purposes only. Of course, I cannot make or state any income claims, guarantees, or promises, but if you just keep in mind the number 5 and bring in 5 $50 customers, and they go out there and they do the exact same and duplicate 3 levels, that gives you the potential to earn $1,500 monthly in profit. Okay? And what I love now is this is for American Bill Money, aka ABM. They are now paying 100% in Fast Start bonuses on all referrals. So that means the potential for you to start being able to generate unlimited payments in Fast Start bonuses of $50 over and over again, okay? Now remember, you must commit to the process, and after you make the commitment to yourself and to your business, you just have to remain consistent with your marketing efforts. You can do this 100% offline, or you can do what I've elected to do, and that is combine the best of both worlds, bringing it into the online space here on YouTube and direct mail with postcards. I've been part of American Bill Money since 2017, consistently earning with it and absolutely love it. It is absolutely rock solid. I invite you to watch the new updated Fast Start bonus video right here on my sales page. What I'll do is I'll drop the link, my direct link to my ABM capture page, and all you have to do is enter your information. You'll be redirected right here, and you can take your time and you can carefully review all of this wonderful information that can educate you and will educate you on the wonderful benefits and advantages of getting started with American Bill Money. If you want something simple, you want something affordable, duplicatable, and scalable, congratulations, you're in the right place at the right time. So you definitely want to watch this, okay, to get informed, to get educated, and then I encourage you to definitely dial in to the sizzle call right here. Okay, there's a number. Okay, 1-800-632-0739. All right, and you can click here to review the new page. Check all that out. Here's all the wonderful advantages and benefits that you can carefully review, okay? And you want to get started, this is where you're going to click, okay? Today, $50, all right? Get you started. Yes, this is a simple, proven system with unlimited income potential. They've been in business for over 22 years, truly have withstood the test of time. An incredible 24/7 marketing system where they do 90% of the work for you. All the follow-up. All major credit and debit cards are accepted. You can also send a check or money order to get started as well. So yes, there are options. ABM will close all of your sales for you through an incredible follow-up process and system that they have in place that works like a charm. Okay, you'll have access to all of the ABM products and services to help you build your income anonymously if you choose to build anonymously. So no worries, because you never have to speak to anybody. A+ rating with the BBB and wonderful Fast Start bonuses. Now you can earn 100% first month on all referrals and earn up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades. Okay, so great potential does exist. For illustrative purposes only, you can play around with this little starter earnings calculator. Check out the potential. Look at the income examples for potential right here. All right. Again, you can click on either one of these blue and white buttons right here. A form will pop up. You'll just go ahead and complete it. Here's exactly what you will receive with your ABM $50 starter subscription. Okay. Right here, 50 fresh direct mail leads every month, unlimited use of the sizzle number, unlimited use of generic capture page website, unlimited use of all follow-up services. These include emails, voicemails, and text messages, covering your leads and prospects on all bases until either one of two things. They get started with you and join, or they opt out, okay? 100% Fast Start first month commission, $50. $10 a month residual commissions. Free personalized flyer available upon request. And money-saving postcard coupons, okay? Again, any one of these blue and white buttons right here, folks, this will get you in and get you started today. You can take a look and browse around at the wonderful professional marketing materials comprised of postcards, post-it notes, drop cards, and flyers. So you have many, many choices, okay? They're all right here, so do indeed check them out. Click here to see our new review page, okay? And the postcards are 4x6, post-its are 3x3, 25 per pad, drop cards, actual size 2 inches by 3.5 inches, and flyers are your 8.5 by 11. So definitely take your time, check it all out. This is my ID. Make sure when you are getting started that you see this on the form or that you import it if you need to do so. I am 5990. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and click here real quickly. And you can take your time and click there and go through all of the wonderful reviews, okay? Again, be sure and watch this review video. It's new, it's updated, all right? And then you can check out all the wonderful testimonials. Just don't take my word for it. I can't say enough good things about American Bill Money. Excuse me. I have been part of American Bill Money since 2017. Absolutely love everything about it. Consistently earning with it since then. And you can hear many members' testimonials, success stories, why they love American Bill Money and why they've had success with American Bill Money. And yours can be right up here next, okay? So you can check out the new review page. All right. Definitely take your time. Check it all out in its entirety. Again, be sure and watch this video. It does a fantastic job of doing all the telling, selling, and explaining for you so you do not have to, okay? Doesn't get any better. So with that being said, I will leave you with some more wonderful results. Had 3 more payments recently show up in my mailbox, folks. It's always a great day when these mailbox money surprises from American Bill Money show up, okay? So as you can see, here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3. So with that being said, folks, you know what to do next. I'd love to help you to get started. When you do, I will be sure and share all of my print and mail resources with you that I've been using to achieve great success. Much continued consistent results and success since 2017. Okay, right here, folks. Watch the video, go to my link, input your information. You'll be redirected to my page. Take your time, review it, and just click that button when you're ready to get started. $50 today will get you started with America's #1 residual income system, American Bill Money. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, I want you to know I welcome all serious inquiries, text or call me, okay? My contact details are below. My website link is below. It's all in the description, okay? Thank you so much. With that being said, I would love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to American Bill Money. I know you're going to absolutely love it here too. Thank you so much, and until the next video, bye for now.